After incubating for 5 minutes, place the tubes in the centrifuge and spin them at 10,000 rpm for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, place back the phenol chloroform mixture in the refrigerator. After centrifugation, take out the tube and carefully extract the top aqueous layer. And pipette it in a new Eppendorf tube. To this, add 500 microliter of chloroform isoamyl alcohol. Chloroform isoamyl alcohol removes the residual phenol from the extract. Mix the tube well and incubate for 5 minutes. Spin the Eppendorf tube at 10,000 rpm for 10 minutes. After centrifugation, take out the Eppendorf tube and transfer the supernatant in a fresh Eppendorf tube. To this, add 1 by 10 volumes of 3 molar sodium acetate. Sodium acetate makes sodium salt of DNA and thus neutralizes the charge on DNA. Meanwhile, bring the absolute alcohol from the refrigerator. Now add 2 volumes of absolute alcohol and keep this in a deep freezer at minus 20 degrees centigrade for 1 hour. Place back the absolute alcohol inside the refrigerator. After 1 hour, take out the tubes from the deep freezer and spin at 10,000 rpm for 10 minutes. Take out the tubes from the centrifuge and decant the supernatant. Add 500 microliter of 70% ethanol and spin the tube at 13,000 rpm for 1 minute. Repeat this step twice. This is done to wash the DNA. After the ethanol wash, discard the supernatant and keep it for air drying. To resuspend the pellet, add 50 microliter TE buffer. Gently tap the tube to resuspend the DNA. After resuspension, it is incubated at 65 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. This is done to destroy any DNAs that may be present. Store the DNA at minus 70 degrees centigrade. Perform the quantization of DNA by spectrophotometry and analyze the quality by agarose gel electrophoresis.